wanted to do a quick video on this deck plate mod for my freshwater tank that I did a while back, showing the new cover that I put on with the access port. So I'm going to check my water level in the freshwater tank right now. So even with the slide out in, I'm boondocking at a like a municipal park tonight. I didn't want to do the slide out, but I need to check my freshwater. So you can see that even with the slide out closed, I can still access the port. So this is that new cover that I put on. It's 2 screws. You can do this with a cordless screw gun, or this is just easy enough with the regular screwdriver. And then this panel lifts off, and there I have my access for the deck plate. And then of course it's a clear lid so you can see in, but you can also lift it if you want to put water in, or just to clean it, or just inspect it. So it looks like I've got about 1/3 of the tank. Close that off. Tighten the lid back down. You're all set. Use it as a step to get up into the bed. Yeah, that's working perfectly. Like I said, I'm boondocking tonight, and I just wanted to make sure I had enough fresh water. Sometimes these monitors don't, you know, on the panel, when you push the little button, they're not real accurate, so it's best to have something like this, like a deck plate mod. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here, and you can check that out. But just makes things, you know, a lot easier and more accurate. So, all right, well, that's pretty much it. Just a short video today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.